When it comes to keeping your home spotless, a good steam cleaner can make all the difference. In this video, I'll be going over the 10 best steam cleaners available on the market. I'll discuss their standout features, benefits, and what makes each model worth considering, so you can decide which one best fits your cleaning needs. Number 1. Bissell SteamShot Omni Reach Steam Cleaner. If you're looking for a compact but powerful steam cleaner, the Bissell SteamShot Omni Reach is a strong choice. It runs on 1,000 watts of power and heats up in just 3 minutes, reaching temperatures of up to 215 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, all without chemicals. The tank holds 10 fluid ounces, which isn't huge, but it's enough for quick cleaning jobs around the house. Weighing only 4 pounds, it's easy to handle and move around. Overall, the SteamShot is best suited for people who want a lightweight, chemical-free cleaner for everyday messes and detailed cleaning. Number 2. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Now, if you want something more heavy-duty, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is definitely worth a look. This one packs 1,500 watts of power and delivers superheated steam at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the more powerful options in its category. It takes about 8 minutes to heat up, but once it's ready, you get a large 1,600 milliliter tank that can keep going for extended cleaning sessions. At around 9 pounds, it's heavier than the handheld models, but still manageable thanks to its design. Number 3. Dovety TMSC-001 Steam Cleaner. For those who want a portable and versatile option, the Dovety TMSC-001 is a compact steam cleaner worth considering. It uses 1,050 watts of power, heats up in just 3 minutes, and can reach up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to tackle tough grime without chemicals or odors. The tank holds 350 milliliters, giving you a good balance between runtime and portability. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it's easy to carry around the house. This one also comes with a variety of attachments: round brushes, a fabric steamer tool, spray nozzles, and even a glass accessory, making it a reliable all-around tool for cleaning everything from hardwood and tile to carpets and upholstery. Next up is the Phueut WHL-603, a multi-surface steam cleaner designed for maximum flexibility. With 1,050 watts of power, a 3-minute heat-up time, and a maximum temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built for fast, efficient cleaning. At 3.9 pounds, it's lightweight, but it still delivers high-pressure steam continuously. If you need a compact steam cleaner that's versatile enough for nearly every cleaning task in the home, the Phueut WHL-603 is a strong contender. Number 5. ACHTFACH SC05 Steam Cleaner. If speed and convenience are your priorities, the ACHTFACH SC05 is an interesting pick. Unlike most steam cleaners that take minutes to heat up, this one is ready to go in just 15 seconds. It runs on 1,200 watts of power and offers 2 adjustable steam modes, giving you control over how much steam you need for each task. The 0.4-liter removable tank provides up to 30 minutes of cleaning time, which is great for longer sessions. And this is a 7-in-1 steam cleaner, best suited for people who want a fast-heating, versatile machine for floors and general cleaning. Number 6. MiKoSoRu EM-302 Steam Cleaner. If you're looking for the latest in compact yet powerful steam cleaning, the MiKoSoRu EM-302, released in 2025, is a standout option. Despite weighing just 2 pounds, it packs 1,050 watts of power and reaches up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up in about 3 minutes and gives you 15 minutes of continuous runtime with its 450 milliliter tank. It comes with multiple attachments, including ironing tools, a window squeegee, straight and bent nozzles, and a nylon brush. Plus, the 19.8-foot cord gives you an extended cleaning range without constantly unplugging. Number 7. Karcher SC 3-Power Steam Cleaner. Karcher is a well-known name in cleaning equipment, and the SC3 Power Steam Cleaner lives up to the reputation. With 1,450 watts of power and a super fast 40-second heat-up time, it's designed for efficiency. The 1-liter tank provides plenty of capacity for longer cleaning sessions, while the included descaling cartridge helps keep the machine running smoothly. It also comes with a range of accessories: a hand nozzle with a microfiber cover, an easy-fix floor nozzle, round brushes, and extension tubes, making it highly versatile. Number 8. Gautye G1 Steam Cleaner. The Gautye G1 is another multi-purpose steam cleaner designed for flexibility. It comes with a 1.69-quart water tank, which allows for longer cleaning times compared to smaller handhelds. At 6.36 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and runtime. This model includes a solid set of accessories: a floor brush, glass cleaner, nylon and brass brushes, an extension nozzle, a high-pressure nozzle, and even heat-resistant gloves. If you want a well-equipped steam cleaner with an extended operating range, thanks to its 156-inch reach, the Gautye G1 offers a lot of value for the price. Number 9. Ewbank SC1000 Steam Cleaner. If you're looking for a professional-style steam cleaner, the Ewbank SC1000 is built for bigger cleaning jobs. With 1,500 watts of power and a maximum pressure of 54 psi, it delivers strong, continuous steam for deep cleaning. The 1.58-quart tank gives you plenty of capacity, and at 13 pounds. It also comes with a wide range of attachments, including extension tubes, floor tools, a swivel adapter, nylon brushes, and a jet nozzle, making it versatile enough for floors, carpets, counters, tiles, and upholstery. Number 10. SteamFusion EM-309 Steam Cleaner. Finally, the SteamFusion EM-309 offers a blend of portability and high performance. It runs on 1,050 watts, heats up in 3 minutes, and reaches temperatures of up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 450 milliliter tank and 46 pounds per square inch of steam pressure, it's powerful enough to tackle dirt, grease, and stubborn stains on multiple surfaces. At just 4.1 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, but still comes with a generous set of accessories: nylon, steel, and ironing brushes, straight and bent nozzles, a window squeegee, and an extension hose. For anyone wanting a balanced steam cleaner that's both powerful and portable, the EM-309 is an excellent final pick. So, there you have it, 10 best steam cleaners available right now, each designed to suit different cleaning needs. From lightweight handhelds like the Bissell SteamShot to heavy-duty options like the Dupray Neat and Ewbank SC1000, there's a model here for every type of home and budget. I hope this video helps you find the right steam cleaner for your home. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.